today I'm making cheesy beef spaghetti, and here's what I'm gonna use. Here is my beef right here, my ground beef. I'm going to season it shortly. Here's some cheese again. You can use whatever cheese you like. Here I have some ketchup, some jerk seasoning, some browning, milk, some paprika, some garlic powder. Here I have all my lovelies over here. Onions, hot pepper, bell peppers. I have garlic, I have thyme, and I have scallion and tomatoes. Yeah, here's my spaghetti that I'm going to use. Yes. So the first thing that I'm going to do is season my beef. So guys, my camera quality is not that good, but it's going to work. So here I'm gonna add some paprika to this. I'm going to add some jerk season. Everybody knows my style by now. I love jerk season because it has a lot. It has a mixture of just about every little thing in there. As you can see, what I'm showing you, like the pimentos, the pepper seeds, and thyme. Oh, it has every little thing in there. That is the reason why I love to use it so much. In case anyone is always wondering, I use it for a good reason. I have some garlic powder. And guys, remember what I always said, whenever you're doing your meat or whatever you're cooking, always use what you like. Not because I use these means I have to use it too. You understand? Use the season that you like. I have some browning. Just gonna drizzle a little on it. Yes. I'm gonna put some black pepper on this also. Just gonna get everything, as you know, well incorporated. And guys, there's a pot on the fire and it is hot, and I'm going to go over there and pour this in. So let's go. So guys, here's a pot. I am just going to pour this in.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground.
So what I'm gonna do, I am going to allow this to keep cooking like this slowly. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna get all those lovely vegetables over there, cut in small pieces, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna add all of them to this so that you can get all those lovely flavors. So I'm just gonna cover this. So guys, before I go for all those lovely vegetables to put in that beef, I'm going to add my spaghetti to this pot here with boiling water. And also I've added some salt and some oil, just a little oil, because like I said, whenever you're cooking like pasta, macaroni, spaghetti, whatever you call it, what you can do is pour a little oil in the pot so that they don't stick together. Yes. And as you know guys, all of this is just gonna go down. they're really gonna go down. That's not a problem. You're just gonna see all of them goes down. So guys, as you can see, everything is down. So I'm gonna just cover it and cook it until it's tender enough to eat. And also here is the beef, and as you can see, it changed color. The color is changed. So beef, and I'm gonna add some ketchup to this. Also, I'm going to add everything else. All these lovelies are going in. Everything is going in. And I've also added a little water to this. Just a little water. Just a little. Guys, remember what I'm making? I am making cheesy beef spaghetti. I'm also gonna add some hot pepper to this so I can get a little spiciness going on right here, you know? A little spiciness, just a little, not much. So I'm going to add some pepper. I'm gonna add a little hot pepper to this. I'm just gonna cover this and allow it to cook for maybe another 10 minutes. It doesn't really need that much time, but that's how I cook. I like to know that my food is prepared properly. And if that means giving it a little more time, then that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm just gonna allow this to cook. And I'm going to check in on my spaghetti. Yep. Look at that, guys. This is very nice. I can taste this. Because you must always taste your food. Oh my god. Guys, this is tasting so lovely. It's so nice. This is tasting so nice. And the pepper that I added a while ago, the hot pepper, oh my god. It gives it the right taste. So come on over to Miss Brown's house if you want some of this goodness. Lovely beef. Look at this. This is finished and it's very nice. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add some milk to this. And guys, you don't have to add any milk to this, okay? Because a lot of people don't like milk. You don't have to add any milk at all to this. Any at all. You don't have to. So guys, here is that. Now I'm going to add my spaghetti to this. And it's a lot of spaghetti. Because it's a one-pot meal. So you have to make sure you do enough that you can share for your family. Look at this, guys. Look at all this lovely beef and spaghetti. one pot meal, but it is very nice. Very, very, very nice. And remember, guys, it's a cheesy dish, so you know we're not doing this without the cheese. For sure, we ain't doing this without the cheese. Because it's a one pot meal and it's a cheesy beef spaghetti. So you know that going down. We're doing it with a lot of cheese. And guys, add whatever cheese of your liking to this. I'm just adding some mozzarella and some cheddar. Oh my gosh, guys, you wanna be over at Miss Brown's house? Trust me, you wanna have some of this lovely, lovely meal. This is where you want to be right now. This is exactly where you want to be. So guys, here is the cheesy beef spaghetti, and it's finished. It's done. That's done. The lovely cheesy beef spaghetti. Come over for some of this lovely goodness. Guys, remember to tell somebody about Miss Brown. Tell them what I'm doing over here. Tell them to come on over, because I have some lovely dishes over here for them. Lovely, lovely cheesy beef spaghetti. Guys, I'm gonna give you some. Get this, guys. I am going to give you some. Look at this, guys. I'm giving you some.